I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? It's been chaos from the start. Can't believe I made it this far. Guess I needed it to see who you really are. Breaker of hearts, yeah. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? I will never smile for you.
300,
I will never smile for you.
200,
You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you
110,
crazy.
100,
I will never smile for you, smile for you,
50,
smile for you,
40,
smile for
30,
you.
20, retard,
I will never
retard,
cry for you,
try.
cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you.
161 touch it, kaya i-cut ko eh.
Hi guys, Captain JC here again, and today we're flying with Terrence. It's our first time to fly with Terrence. Si Terrence is part of Batch 2 Batch 2 ng mga cadet, yung Cebu Pacific Cadet Program. So matagal-tagal na rin siya sa company. Ilang years ka na?
2 years na.
2 years. So 2 years. Medyo nagka-pandemic, so na-stop yung flying, pero ngayon balik na ulit sa flying. And kanina nag-approach tayo ng runway 27 of Dumaguete. It's my second time here to fly again in Dumaguete for medyo matagal na ako hindi nakabalik dito eh. Mula nung naging kapitan ako, tapos nag-RQ lang ako. Ngayon yung pinaka-first ko na hindi RQ. Yeah. Etong Dumaguete, isa sa mga challenging airports na nilalandingan namin kasi considered siya as CATC kasi nga runway 27 ka lang pwede mag-land dito. Last week nandito ka, sabi mo, di ba?
Yes, last week dito lang.
Yan, oo. Isa pa, kung mapapansin nyo kanina, habang naglaland tayo, galing tayo sa water, sa bodies of water. So ganun, pag featureless yung mga yung lalandingan mo, medyo mahirap tansyahin yung depth perception, degraded, kasi ang tingin mo, mataas ka. Kaya sa mga piloto, meron kaming kasabihan, trust your instruments. Yan. Titignan namin yung mga instrumento namin. Hindi lang kami nagtatrust sa senses namin kasi yung pinaka-unreliable na pwede mong pagbasihan is yung senses mo. Pagdating sa kasi yung physiological effect ng paglilipad, may epekto yun. Baka yung judgment mo, mali yung judgment mo kung yung senses lang yung yung pagbabasihan mo. Kaya we always look at the instruments, yung kanina poppy lights, di ba? Yung poppy lights yung nandito. So, yung poppy lights, nagsasabi siya kung mataas kami, mababa, para ma-judge namin ang mabuti kung tama yung altitude namin sa paglaland. Anyway, we are prepared na dito. Yan, madilim na. Kanina nung nagland kami, medyo may araw pa. Ngayon, madilim na. Going back to Manila. Okay guys, tapos na kami sa lahat. Prepared na kami, kaso lang meron pa kaming CTOT. So hindi pa kami pwedeng umalis dito. Kasi nga sinisequence nila lahat nung pumupunta ng Manila para sa traffic hindi ma-congest masyado. Anyway, balik na tayo ulit sa marami nating travels. Ikaw ba, nagawa mo yung travel plans mo?
Yes, nakabook na.
Nakabook na! Wow! Sana all! Ako rin, may mga travel plans na din ako kasama ang family. And may may magandang promo ngayon guys ang Cebu Pacific kung hindi nyo alam. It's really nice. All you have to pay is 1 peso per day. So parang if you want to be covered for 1 year, 365 days, all you have to do is pay 365 pesos and then you are already insured. Ang tawag doon yung Piso Protect. So hindi mo kailangan merong booking sa eroplano. Parang insurance talaga siya. Hindi siya parang insurance talaga siya. Hindi lang siya travel insurance, hindi lang siya sa insurance sa paglipad mo, sa travel mo. Regular, kahit na kunwari nagbibisikleta ka tapos na disgrasya ka, so may mga covered na yun, mga benefits. And ilalagay ko yung description nung Piso Protect, pero yung mga coverage niya is can be availed even without a flight booking. Tapos yun nga, 1 peso per day yung premium, so you are covered for 1 year, 365 a day. Say for example, bumili ka ng ticket ngayon, may travel ka, magdagdag ka lang ng 365 pesos, so meron ka ng insurance for 1 year. Tapos up to 250,000 pesos coverage on personal accidents, 1,000 per day hospital income benefit, maximum of 5 days, at saka 5,000 surgical income benefit. So not bad, di ba? For 1 peso lang nababayaran mo sa isang araw, or 365 if you want to be covered for the whole year, 365 days. So not bad na yun. So kung ako actually nag-avail na ako nun. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? 365 pesos covered ka na. Ikaw, mag-avail ka na nun.
Yung total amount ng coverage, sulit.
Oo, sulit na sulit. Isipin mo, 250,000 yung accident na coverage niya. Para lang sa 365 pesos, parang no-brainer na yun. Pag bumili ka, di ba? Bumili ka ng ticket, magdagdag ka ng 365 pesos. Ayos na yun, ayos na ayos yan. So, isa yan sa mga parang good deal. Totoo yan, good deal. Idol, saan ka di ba? Ako nga pala, saan? Sa Australia ka nagpalipad na aeroplano yan. Sila yung mga batch ng hopefully, bumalik na ulit yung cadetship program. Kasi, para dumami pa. At saka ngayon, tumataas na yung demand natin. Tumataas na yung demand for pilots worldwide. Tumataas na yung mga travels, tumataas na yung, actually nagkakaroon na ng shortage ng piloto ulit, katulad ng pre-pandemic days. Kaya asahan nyo, kung gumanda pa ulit yung kaya yung mga gusto mag-travel, travel na kayo. Kasi pag nag-travel kayo, gaganda yung ekonomiya natin, gaganda yung takbo ng tourism natin. So dun sa mga gusto magpiloto, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng pagkakataon. Pag binalik yung cadetship program, asahan nyo na paano ka ba nag-apply ng cadetship program?
Kasi nakita ko lang din sa sir online try lang doon.
Kita mo lang online?
Oo, online.
Tapos trinay mo lang? Apply ka lang online?
Apply lang sir.
Wala kang kilala?
Wala sir, walang kilala.
Diba? Swerte lang talaga sa buhay, kanya-kanya swerte sa buhay. Kaya hanggat may buhay, may pag-asa, hanggat nandyan yung opportunity, you can grab it. Ayan, diba? Tapos pinadala sa Australia, libre. Although hindi man siya libre, pero yung initial na wala kang ilalabas na pera, di ba? Yun lang exam.
Yung exam lang sir.
Magkano yun?
Sa around 15,000.
15,000 pesos. Tapos kinover na lahat yung yung flying na na expenses, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa Australia pa.
Study now, pay later.
Oo, study now, pay later. Kagandahan nun, may kontrata ka, may trabaho ka, tapos binabawas rin ng konti-konti sa sweldo mo yung ginastos sa isang pagpapaaral. So it's a good deal. Sana bumalik. Sana bumalik. Sige, see you at Manila guys. Mamaya, interviewin pa natin to ng gusto. Sige.
Yeah. Here's to the good days. Here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. We start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up, we had its time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best. Oh yeah, oh yeah.